Alright, dirty as shit. About 6 hours or 7 or 8 hours later, got the wheels on the truck, all the front end parts put together. Takes a lot longer with the weather and the truck being all rusted up from the weather too. Doesn't take 4 hours to do it. So just have to put the torsion keys set in there and the tie rod ends for the steering. And then the lift is pretty much ready. And then we can see if some 22 by 14s from the other truck fit on here. It's a -45 offset. Should fit. Probably be pretty close.